Alright, so I'm doing a follow-up video of part 2 on my F80 M3 2015. So in the video I posted 2 years ago, this car had a smoking issue where it was constantly smoking out of the exhaust. I had originally noticed that the PCV was squealing. We did change that, stopped the smoking for a little bit, but then all the smoking had came back. Turns out the pure stage 2 plus turbos that were in the car, they needed to be rebuilt only after a few thousand miles. So I got it rebuilt. The car stopped smoking. About 4,000 miles later, what ended up happening is the car started smoking again. So basically I went through head to toe on this car, and what I actually ended up figuring out is that the tuner and the people that were working on this car never actually changed the air filters. My bad. I usually change the air filters in all my cars, but this car just sits here and collects dust. So I cleaned the air filters and put brand new high flow BMC air filters in, and what actually ended up happening is it fixed all of the smoking issues in this car. So essentially, if you in this turbo piping, if there isn't enough airflow, you could imagine what happens when you stick your hand over a vacuum. It creates a suction, and it's most likely it was pulling oil from the bearing on the turbo, even on a brand new rebuilt turbo. Since I replaced the filters and cleaned everything out, I have put about 3,000 miles on the car, and the car does not smoke whatsoever. So I thought I'd make a follow-up video to let you guys know that you could either have a clogged filter issue, or maybe a PCV issue, or possibly blown turbos.